We use lots of different things in the house. We use them every day. These are called daily necessities. Things we use often without thinking, but the moment they are gone, we notice immediately. Today, we are going to look at everyday items we all depend on. This is soap. What kind of soap is this? Laundry soap. We use the soap to wash our laundry. We put this soap in the washing machine to wash our laundry. Both of these are for washing dishes, not laundry. We use both these soaps to wash our dishes. This one we use with a sponge to wash our dishes. We put this soap on the sponge and we wash our dishes. This one is for the dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. We put this soap in the dishwasher to wash our dishes. What else do we use on a daily basis? This is plastic wrap. This is aluminum foil. And this is paper towels. Where do we use these? In the kitchen. We use plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and paper towels in the kitchen. What else? This is a cleaning sheet. We use a cleaning sheet with a cleaning mop. We put the cleaning sheet under the mop and we use it for cleaning the floor. This is bathroom cleaning soap. We use this soap to clean our bathrooms. This is toilet paper. Where do we use toilet paper? Do we use toilet paper outside? Do we use toilet paper in the office? No, we use toilet paper in the toilet. Toilet paper is for the toilet. This is toilet cleaning sheets. We use these sheets to clean our toilets. We wipe our toilets with these toilet cleaning sheets. What's this? Tissue paper. Tissues. You have a runny nose? Use a tissue. You have a nosebleed? Use a tissue. You are sweating a lot. Use a tissue to wipe your sweat. This is a wet tissue. Wet wipes. This is not wet tissue. It's regular tissue. These are wet. Wet tissues, wet wipes. We can wipe our hands with wet wipes. We can also wipe the table with wet wipes. Today, we talked about daily necessities, things we use every day in the house. What do you have at your home? And what items do you use every day? See you soon. Bye.